Mini terrarium earrings. You'll need your vessel, earring backs, mini mushrooms, crazy glue, nail polish, and your choice of moss. Paint your mushrooms and let dry. Glue your mushrooms to your moss, fit accordingly, and snip the bottom. Crazy glue the bottom of the moss and close up your terrarium. Attach your earring backs and that's it. We're done. How cute are these?
Okay, you guys only care about my paper, so here's the tutorial. I made that one from this little envelope that I had that I was going to throw it away, so I made it into paper. So you literally just take water and paper, and this is my physics homework from last semester, so that's why I'm ripping it up, because I don't like physics. You put the paper in the water, and you let it soak for a little bit first, so it soaks up the water, and then you shake it until it's this pulpy stuff. It kind of looks like soup. So then you make this little shape with pencils, so it's actually a rectangle, and you pour it on it. And then I kind of just spread it out with my fingers so that it filled out the rest of the way, and shaped it and rolled it with the pencils. And I just let it sit out in the sun for a couple hours. But it looks thick, but it flattens out after a little bit. And I'm impatient, so I started peeling it up early. I kind of just let it sit out there for 3-ish hours, but then you just literally let it dry.
Bubble tutorial time. Okay, so this is gonna sound weird, but you actually need granulated sugar. So put that in there. And then you're gonna put about twice as much. This is just dish soap. And mix it all together. So you're gonna keep mixing until the sugar's dissolved. And then you're going to take some of the solution and put it all around on the surface, all over the place. Then you're going to take a straw, dip it into the solution and kind of mix it around, and then you can blow your bubble. And then you do the same thing.
Marshmallows from scratch. So first dissolve gelatin powder in water and set that aside. Then add corn syrup, sugar and water into a saucepan and just let that dissolve together without mixing it. Then when it starts to thicken, you can add your gelatin and just give that a stir.
Then you can separate your egg yolk from your egg white. You're only going to need egg white in this recipe, so beat that and slowly pour in your hot sugar syrup. And you can also add your flavouring. I used vanilla, and beat until stiff peaks form. Then you can transfer that into a piping bag, and over some cornstarch you can pipe out your little shapes. Then I used food colouring to draw little faces onto all of my characters. That's my hair. Yeah. Then you can dust them with cornstarch so that they're no longer sticky. I like to roll them around just to make sure. Then dust off all of the excess, and that's pretty much it.